So you want a garden that's low maintenance and high impact? Succulents and cacti could be the plant pals for you. As you know, a lot of Australia is hot and dry, and many of our cities and towns are by the coast, where the soil tends to be sandy. These are the sorts of conditions succulents and cacti love. Succulents and cacti are pretty much at home in the desert, so they love bright, direct sun. In fact, if you've got a spot on your home where other plants just seem to always dry out and wither, that's probably the place that they'll love best. Of course, the sun changes throughout the year as the seasons change, so if your plants are in pots, it might pay to move them around each season to keep them happy. We all know plants need water, but it's one of the main things people get wrong, and it's really easy to get wrong with succulents. These plants are designed to live without water for months on end, so less is definitely more for them. Only water succulents when the soil is dry. Start with a bit. You can always add more, but you can't add less. Soil is important for every plant, but it's particularly important for succulents, as it needs to be coarse and sandy, so it drains well and the roots don't rot. If you go to your nursery, you'll find a special potting mix just for succulents and cacti. That's the one to buy. When it comes to feeding, treat the plants to an organic liquid fertiliser once a season. And again, less is more. You don't need to fertilise succulents too much. Organic liquid fertilisers are great because they get absorbed faster. They come in different kinds, so always read the pack and choose the one that's right for your plant. Succulents and cacti come in an incredible array of weird and wonderful shapes and sizes. You can often buy tiny succulents in the nursery for just a few dollars. A few to begin with: Aloe Vera, Echeverias, Crassulas, Haworthias. They're all at your local nursery and they're bound to have plenty to choose from. Different sized pots create a multi-level garden and let you lift your feature plants up high. Meanwhile, a few well-placed rocks or stones and pebbles add texture to your garden and can give that Wild West look. When you're spacing them, cluster them together but not too close, and try to put uneven distances between them so they keep that organic look and don't look too arranged. If you want more help levelling up your plant game, don't forget to watch our other how-to videos and follow Greener Spaces, Better Places on your favourite social media platform. Happy growing!